my vlog. Nandito po kami. We are here at Antulang Beach Resort. Wow! You can see it's fine white sand. I did a white sand. Fine white pebbles. Back. The first you have to go through in order for you to get a very nice picture. Wait lang. Kunin ko muna yung payong ko. So, ayan guys. Nandito po kami sa isang ruins ng isang resort dati. Yan, I think that is the CR dati. Pero napakaganda yung white sand beach. Nandun yung mga pinsan. Nagpa-picture. I think that is the hindi siya natapos na building sa isang resort. Last na Jun, last na, promise. Promise na. Ayan, ito white sand dito. Tapos doon sa unahan, white pebbles. Ayan. Ang kulang. With its finest crystal clear water.
Ayaw, kapila ako. Kailangan naman
Go.
Pero na-upload siya din naman.
Ayan. Nandito po kami ngayon sa Antulang kasi namiesta kami. Namiesta. Say hi! Okay. Yan. Nainitan sila guys. Good thing I brought my umbrella. See? Ayan, napapicture na naman sila. Ayan. Ito, I think hindi siya natapos na I think it's a resort or something, or parang tawag dito kwarto. Yan siya guys. Ayan, pauwi na kami. Ay, di ko ipatasan ko. Busog pa. Charot. Ayan, welcome to Encantadia. I think that's it. Like, subscribe, and share. Bye. You